welcome back to AirsoftGearMods. Today I'm going to do a change to my AEG. I'm going to add on a new pistol grip. Now at the moment, as you can see, I've got the standard M4 pistol grip. You've seen photographs before on my Facebook page that I've done the stippling on the hand grip, and it made it very comfortable. Nice grip on the pistol grip, and it felt really good as well in the hand. Wearing a pair of gloves, you get nice solid grip on it so it doesn't slip and slide anywhere. But it's time to retire that, and me being a sucker for Magpul stuff, I've now got my hands on a PTS MOE pistol grip. I've held one of these, I've held a gun before, one of these on it, and they're very comfortable. And plus the fact I love Magpul stuff, it looks great and it's going to make the gun look really well. So this is a little short video, just me adding on the pistol grip.
Okay, first of all, just undo the two screws at the bottom. Remove the plate at the end. Screwdriver in and just remove the cables from the motor. After that's done, take the motor out. Now, inside the hand grip, there's two screws. If you look down into the hand grip, you'll see two Phillips head screws. You need to undo them. Lift off the handle or the grip, remove the cables. Now I'm going to need an Allen key. Now that's the pistol grip removed, and I now have to open two screws on the bottom of the new grip, here and here. Okay, remove the plate. Yeah. Now just sit the cables back into the holes where they came from. And they are back to front. Of course they are. Positive to the front, negative to the back. Yeah, nice snug fit. Two screws are still in the end, so I need to get them back. Just refit the screws back down in there. Rescrew the handle in. Make sure they're good and tight. No need to go crazy on them though. Now what's going to happen next is I'm going to put the motor in, and it also has to be readjusted to make sure that it's catching the gears properly as well. It's very important to check that. This motor sits very low in that compared to the old grip. I'm gonna have to just do a slight adjustment here. Now what I've noticed is the pin, the little metal pin here on the side that takes the cable, is just pressing against the side of the inside, and I won't be able to get the clip on it, so I need to just bend that forward a small bit. It should be enough. And maybe just, it'll be easier to put the cable on now than do it while it's in the gun. And the same with the positive as well. If I can get my hand to it. There we go. And just send it back into the gun. Now because it's sitting down lower, there's a bit of slack on them cables, but it should be okay. I'm going to test it, of course. Yep. It's very important once you do this that you check that the motor is engaging the gears properly. Yeah. Okay, so that's the hand grip on the gun. Okay, that's the hand grip on the gun. I think it looks pretty well. It's nice and comfortable. Yeah, it looks really good. Now I'm just going to test it and make sure it's lining up okay. Doesn't sound too bad at all. I'm just gonna give this screw here. Just gonna give that 1 or 2 turns just to make sure it's engaged.